Imagine getting tomorrow's emails drafted, your to-do list organized, your meeting notes summarized, and even social media posts written before you finish your morning coffee. Sounds like you need a personal assistant, right? Well, you probably already have one. It's ChatGPT, and most people are only using about 10% of what it can actually do. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to automate your daily work with ChatGPT using simple prompts anyone can copy. Here's the good news. You don't need to know coding. You don't need expensive software. And you definitely don't need to spend hours learning AI. ChatGPT works like a really smart assistant, but only if you know how to ask it the right way. Today, we'll automate 5 everyday tasks that almost everyone deals with: emails, meeting notes, to-do lists, writing, and research. By the end of this video, you'll have a workflow you can start using today. And here's something most tutorials skip. I'll also show you the biggest mistake people make with ChatGPT that leads to terrible answers and how to avoid it. Let's start with email automation. Instead of typing, "Write an email," give ChatGPT context. Here's a better prompt. Write a friendly follow-up email to a client who hasn't replied in 1 week. Keep it professional, but casual, and with a clear call to action. Notice what happened. ChatGPT now understands the situation, the tone, and the goal. Next, meeting notes. Imagine you've just finished a 1-hour meeting. Paste everything into ChatGPT and ask, "Summarize these notes into key decisions, action items, deadlines, and next steps." Instead of reading pages of notes later, you've got a clean action plan in seconds. Now let's organize your entire day. Paste your brain dump into ChatGPT. Something like reply to Sarah, grocery shopping, finish presentation, call mom, schedule dentist. Then ask, turn this into a prioritized to-do list using high, medium, and low priority. Even better, ask it to estimate how long each task will take and build a realistic schedule. Now, let's automate writing. For example, write a LinkedIn post for software developers explaining 3 AI productivity tips. Keep it conversational with a strong opening hook. Don't ask ChatGPT to write a post. Instead, tell it who you're talking to, what the goal is, and the style you want. See how much better that sounds? Finally, research. Instead of asking random questions one by one, ask a GPT to compare options. Compare Notion, Trello, and Asana for a solo freelancer. Include pricing, pros, cons, and best use cases. This saves you from opening 20 browser tabs. Now let's level this up. Tip number 1. Give ChatGPT a role. Act as a marketing manager or act as a project manager instantly changes the quality of the response. Tip 2. Ask ChatGPT to ask you questions first. Before answering, ask me 5 questions so your answer is personalized. This one trick dramatically improves results. Tip 3. Save your favorite prompts. Create a simple document with prompts you use every week. You'll never have to rewrite them again. Tip 4. Keep the conversation going. Most people start a brand new chat every time. Instead, continue the conversation so ChatGPT remembers the context. And finally, always double-check important information. ChatGPT is incredibly helpful, but it's still a tool, not a replacement for your own judgment. So here's what we covered today. We automated emails, meeting notes, task planning, writing, and research, all without writing a single line of code. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this. ChatGPT is only as powerful as the instructions you give it. Try just one of these workflows today. Even saving 15 minutes a day adds up to over 90 hours in a year. If this helped you, hit the like button so more people can find this tutorial. Subscribe for practical AI and productivity videos every week. And let me know in the comments which daily task would you automate first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.